Did you know that a staggering 88% of Americans aren't getting enough fruits and veggies in their diet? That's right, folks. The majority of us are neglecting the very foods that can fuel our bodies, boost our moods, and keep our minds sharp. You may be asking, why is this? Well, there are a few common excuses that we all tend to make. Maybe you're one of those people who simply doesn't have enough time to prepare a nutritious meal. After all, we're all juggling busy schedules. And sometimes it's just easier to grab a burger on the run. Or perhaps you're under the impression that eating healthy will break the bank. We've all heard the adage that good health is expensive, and it's easy to believe it when you compare the price of a bag of chips to a bag of apples. And then, of course, there's the most common excuse of all, the belief that healthy food is just too bland. We've all been there, staring at a plate of steamed veggies and longing for a juicy steak or a cheesy pizza. But here's the thing, these are just excuses. They're myths that we've come to believe because, let's face it, they make it easier for us to justify our unhealthy eating habits. But the truth is, eating healthy doesn't have to be time-consuming, expensive, or boring. In fact, it can be quite the opposite. So, now that we are fully into the new year, let's leave the food myths behind. It is possible to eat well, save money, and actually enjoy your meals. Remember, health isn't just about diet, it's about vitality. Let's prove that healthy eating is easier than you think. It all starts now. Let's dive in. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing taste or joy. It's all about making smart choices. Sure, you might have to bid adieu to your midnight ice cream binge, but the alternatives can be just as satisfying, if not more so. The key is to see healthy eating not as a chore, but as an opportunity to explore new flavors and textures. Let's talk about the benefits of healthy eating beyond weight loss. You see, the food you eat doesn't just affect your waistline. It has a profound impact on your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can do wonders for your mental health, helping you stay focused and upbeat. It also boosts your energy levels, so that you can tackle your day with gusto. And that's not all. Healthy eating is also your ticket to glowing skin, shiny hair, and a strong immune system. It's the best beauty regime you can ever adopt, and it doesn't even require an appointment. Now, let's delve into the concept of rainbow eating. It's a simple, visually appealing way to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Each color in your food represents different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For instance, red foods like tomatoes and strawberries are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Green veggies, on the other hand, are your go-to source for folate and vitamin K. So, your goal should be to fill your plate with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. It's not just about eating green, it's about eating red, orange, yellow, purple, and even white. Every color has something unique to offer, and together they create a symphony of nutrients that your body will love. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. It can be a joyous journey of discovery, where you get to experiment with different foods and flavors. And trust us, once you start reaping the benefits, you won't want to go back to your old ways. Remember, every color brings in a unique set of nutrients. Who said healthy meals take ages to prepare? Let's debunk that myth together. Picture this. You wake up in the morning and a nutritious breakfast is already waiting for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's as real as it gets with overnight oats. The night before, simply combine rolled oats, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk in a jar. Let it sit overnight, and in the morning, add your favorite fruits, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Voila! A delicious, nutritious breakfast is ready in no time. Now, let's move on to lunch. Grilled chicken with steamed veggies might sound too simple, but it's all about the seasoning, my friends. Marinate your chicken breast in lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and your favorite herbs. Grill it to perfection. Pair it with steamed broccoli, carrots, or bell peppers, lightly seasoned with sea salt and black pepper. This vibrant plate is not only a visual treat, but also a powerhouse of protein and fiber. And for those who love to experiment, a quinoa salad is the perfect canvas. Cook quinoa according to the package instructions, then let it cool. Mix in some chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions. Add a handful of fresh basil, a drizzle of olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Toss it all together, and there you have it. A nutrient-dense salad that's as colorful as it is tasty. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The key is to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your meals. Remember, variety is the spice of life and of a healthy diet. And before we wind up, here's a quick tip. Prepping ingredients in advance can be a real game changer. It not only saves time but also makes healthy eating more convenient. So chop those veggies, marinate that chicken, and soak those oats at night for a stress-free, health-packed meal the next day. See? Healthy, quick, and delicious meals are not a myth. Now for the fun part. Let's uncover a surprising food pairing. You might be thinking, healthy food? Surprising? Yeah, right. But hold on to your hats, folks. You're about to be blown away by the dynamic duo of dark chocolate and almonds. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate and almonds. Now, before you start doubting, let's break this down. Dark chocolate, especially the kind that's 70% cocoa or more, is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and minerals. It's been shown to improve heart health, enhance brain function, and even aid in weight control. But remember, moderation is key. A small piece of dark chocolate a day can be a part of a balanced diet. Then there are almonds. These humble nuts are true nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and fiber. Almonds can help control blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce hunger, promoting weight loss. Now, combine these two. You get a snack that's not only satisfyingly crunchy and deliciously decadent, but also incredibly good for you. The smooth, bitter sweetness of the dark chocolate complements the crunchy, nutty flavor of the almonds, creating a treat that tantalizes your taste buds while nourishing your body. But that's not all. This surprising pair is versatile too. You can have them as a quick snack on the go, sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal, or even incorporate them into your baking for an added nutritional punch. So there you have it, dark chocolate and almonds, a surprising pair that proves healthy food doesn't have to be boring or unsatisfying. It can be fun, flavorful, and, yes, even a bit indulgent. Let's be clear, eating healthy is simply about balance. It's about picking foods that do a job for your body but still taste great. And yes, that includes things like dark chocolate and almonds. Pairs like that prove the old myth that healthy eating sucks is just plain wrong. You can have flavor and fitness at the same time. Healthy food can surprise and delight your taste buds. So, we've busted some myths and given you some delicious meal ideas. Eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore, and it certainly doesn't have to suck. Let's take a moment to recall the key points we've covered. We began by addressing the elephant in the room, the misconception that healthy food is bland and boring. But as we've shown, healthy eating can be a joy. With the right ingredients and a little creativity, you can savor a rainbow of flavors while treating your body right. It's a win-win situation. Next, we tackled the challenge that healthy eating is expensive or time-consuming. It's a common barrier, but with some simple, practical tips we highlighted, you can see it's actually quite the opposite. Healthy meals can be quick, easy, and wallet-friendly, with ingredients that are readily available. And remember, the time you invest in your health now will pay dividends in the future. Then, we journeyed through the world of tasty, wholesome meals. From vibrant salads to hearty stews, we explored how variety is the spice of life when it comes to a nutritious diet. And let's not forget about the surprising food pair that got your taste buds tingling. Who knew that healthy eating could be so satisfying? But the journey doesn't end here. Now, it's time for you to put these tips into practice and discover the joy of healthy eating for yourself. We can all learn from each other here. Do you have a favorite healthy snack pairing like my chocolate and almonds that you absolutely love? Please share your favorites in the comments so we can all get some new ideas. Never forget that true health radiates from the inside out. Those small steps you take in the kitchen today add up to a stronger future. We are right here walking this path with you. So let's embrace this new season, not just for a January resolution, but for a lifetime of feeling your absolute best. Thank you for watching.